Oh, do it, please. Yes, you got it. 750 bet. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, guys, I just stuck in $100 bill. Let's see if we can get that major, guys. Maybe the grand. That would be even better. So, start with a penny. This one has been tough. Oh, this version here. Oh, man. We need 3 of those. I like the bonus on this game. It has really good potential. You know, I like to pop around. If I go through 100 and it doesn't even look active, I'm just gonna move. Oh, that's nothing, huh? Yeah, I think 2 cents was looking most active, but nobody's really looking too active, are they? Do it. All right, so we'll just stay on 2 cents. Come on. I'm gonna do 2, 3, and 5. Oh, you could have come right there. All right, we are not gonna stay on this. Man, that's 3 machines in a row that sucked. I've had 3 machines in a row didn't give me a single anything. Weird. Not putting my card in on purpose. All right, this one, I was able to get my money back yesterday when I played it. I lost on that one I was just on, then came to this one and got my money back. Let's see if we can do it again. Oh, we need 3 of those. Nice. This one has a 640 major, by the way. And they share that $19,000 grand. Oh, thought you were doing it. Let's try some other denominations. This is the one I got a hand pay on. It was the very first machine I played when we got here, and I got a hand pay. Oh, come on. That video is on the channel. Oh, nice numbers. Oh, you're being a tease. It's more active than the one we were just on, for sure. Let's go to 2 cents. I can't remember. Did we do 2 cents? I think we did. I think 2 cents wasn't really doing anything. 5 cents was most. Oh, what was I talking about? 2 cents not doing anything. What am I saying? All right, let's go. Fill this sucker up for 19 grand before we go home. Uh-oh. That wasn't good, was it? At least we had that nice 30. That's actually $60 one. All right. Okay. We're moving in the right direction. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, look at that. That's $150 right there. Oh, yeah. Look at you, big boy. Let's throw in a 5 there. Wait, $3 on 2 cents has been lucky for me today. I've had some really nice numbers on that bet. Come on, 3 more. Come on, 3. Oh, snap. Look, 1 more. Oh, man, look at that. That was over $100 right there. Yeah, that's nice. 20 bucks. Come on. I feel like this 10 cents is gonna hit. Oh. You just get close, but never enough. Oh, come on. Put another one. Dang it. All right. Kings. $12. $7.50. Hold your breath. Oh my gosh. It was close. Hey, I didn't realize I had that. Oh, come on. Do it. Oh, stinking meanie. Dang, y'all. That was so mean. Do it. Oh, it bounced up. Oh, my gosh. So mean. I'm going back. Do it. $5 bet. Oh, I thought that was it. So our lucky $3 bet. We're gonna finish on 10 cents. 2 cents and 10 cents seem to be where the teasing's happening. But it really is just a big old tease, huh? We had some nice shots though. It was exciting. Come on. Save it. Right here, save it. Oh man. I'll be your best friend if you do it. Oh, do it, do it, do it. It did it. Oh my goodness, guys. Lucky chance. Lucky chance save. Holy cow, that is freaking awesome. I can't get rid of this. Oh, come on. No, put him all the way. Let me make that bigger. No, we need this guy all over the place. Oh, man, we needed that dragon there. All right, you're not really helping us here. Well, we got a lucky chance, but it wasn't that lucky. All right, let's see. Maybe we can get something in the next couple spins. That would be cool. Oh, can you do it again? Oh my goodness. Oh, well, that was fun. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, I've decided I'm coming back to Dragon Riches. I thought I was done, and it looks like it's gonna hit. So, all right, another 100 in. Maybe I'm an idiot, but let's see. Guys, I forgot to hit the record button again. Some really exciting things happened. And I was talking the whole time to y'all and you weren't here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Do it. Oh. Anyway, the really exciting thing that happened is 5 balls came down, but I had a minor for 500 and a mini for 100. But I didn't get the last one. And I was really sad. Do it! Oh, we need 3 of those balls. Oh, that's nice, huh? 19. Oh. Yeah, I'm still feeling like my heart's a little racy from that minor and mini. I thought I was getting it, y'all. Because they landed all in the first 3, so I had 2 reels to get one. Nice. Getting some nice lines. Let's raise the bet and see if we can still get them. Doesn't want the bigger bet. Let's try again. Come on. Oh, there we go. Sing us a song, why don't you? We're just gonna let that roll up there. $93, thank you. $7.50 again. Oh, do it, please. Yes, we got it. $7.50 bet. Oh my goodness. Okay, the dragons will expand. So we're looking for dragon. Oh my gosh, this could be massive. Don't jerk us around, lightning lane. Come on now. Dragon, 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 dragon. Yes, that is exactly what we wanted. He did not jerk us around. He did not jerk us around. Oh my goodness. If we'd have had 3 Buddhas here, that probably would have been a hand pay. Nice. I am so glad I came back to this thing. I played it earlier and I just felt like something wanted to hit. A lot of $45 lines. $15 lines, $45, $45. The $7.50 lines must be, so this must be a $9. This must be a 15. I mean a $7.50, a 15, and a $45 line. Oh wow, nice. You keep going. You're so beautiful. I'm glad we got this one in the center because I think we have more lines maybe with that one. Wow, look at this, y'all. Oh, this is way more than I thought. Yeah, the 3 Buddhas for sure would have been a hand pay. Wow, do it again. Do it again. Come on. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, man, y'all, we almost had it. Oh, my gosh. Oh, yeah, that would have for sure been a hand pay. Where was your friend? He didn't show up. Oh, come on. Oh, man. Last one. Oh, that was a great bonus, y'all. Did we get to 100 times? Probably not, but it's close. Wow. Oh, wow. That is awesome, guys. Thank you. I knew you wanted to give me something. Let's see if you want to give me something else. Oh, give me that. Let's see if we can get a hold and spin. Let's pass through some others and we'll come back here. We'll come back to the 10 cents. Oh. 2 cents? Where you at? Oh, do it, do it, do it. Oh, I thought we were going to get it. That would have been cool. Come on. Oh. All right, you're not even teasing. 5 cents. Come on, now. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, look, he's singing to us. How much? Make your guess. Make your guess how much. I'm gonna say $50. Oh, close, 47. Oh, do it with the ball. Oh, it was right here, just passed. We haven't had a hold and spin yet. We've just had some great line hits. All right, finish it here. Do it again. $7.50 again. That's a lucky bet. Nope. We're not going to go below 700. That's a $600 profit. was just hoping to get the hold and spin. Oh, I thought we had it there. Jesus, you don't do that unless you're gonna give it to me. Last one. Come on, do it. Oh, man. Cash out. Give me my money. All right. That was lucky. I got all the money back plus $100 in, 700 out. So I had played Eyes of Fortune earlier, lost, came to this one and lost, but it felt like it was going to do something. I am so glad that I walked back over here. I literally walked away and then was like, I'm gonna go back. So we're taking a nice profit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.